everybody, it's Jen and Kanata. I'm going to show you what I'm having this morning. It is Monday, January 13th, and I'm having my coffee, orange, and I made oatmeal with some coconut pieces. Just 2 packages of instant oatmeal. And I made some for Abby too. We're going to have the leftover rolls and the ramen soup for lunch. Instead of opening another package of pasta, I'm just going to use the rest of the shells because my daughter wants them, and use some other shells that are about similar size for supper tonight. It'll just be a mixture. It'll be a surprise shell pasta dish to go with the porcupine balls. Hey everybody, I'm just making supper and getting this ready. So for supper tonight, we're having porcupine balls over pasta with an Asian salad. I was going to do Caesar salad, but I had an Asian salad in the fridge. My daughter took some of it for lunch today, my oldest daughter. So I stretched it with some coleslaw and some lettuce, so I'll show you what I did. And I also made my own Asian salad dressing, sesame ginger salad dressing, because there was only like this much salad dressing and it was not enough for the salad, so I googled it on Pinterest. I'll put the link to the recipe below. I didn't really measure it, I just looked at the ingredients and winged it, and it tastes pretty darn good. So here I took some lettuce, some of the Asian salad mix, a bag of coleslaw, and a little bit of the shredded carrots that was left over from the Vietnamese rolls yesterday. See, there's a little of the toppings. And then in this jar, I put ginger, garlic, lime juice, olive oil, sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, some water, a drop of sriracha, and soy sauce. And then mixed it up and poured it over here. It tastes wonderful. And here is the cooked pasta, the 2 different shells. I'm going to take out the porcupine balls right now. And here's the porcupine balls. I took mozzarella cheese, the rest of that block, and I just sliced it over the balls. I just now sprinkled Parmesan cheese. I just took it out of the oven because I didn't put the Parmesan cheese before the oven, but it's all really hot, and I'm just pushing the cheese down to melt. And for my daughter who doesn't like red sauce, there's still some pesto sauce that she could have on her pasta. She'll probably take a porcupine ball, but not a sauce. And there you have it, using up what I have, literally using up leftovers from leftovers, repurposing them, and reviving them. So nothing really goes to waste. Whatever's left from here will probably be my lunch tomorrow, if there is any leftovers, because there's lots of hungry people. So, have a good day. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.